a new day. Will people leave or will they stay? Not every day is like a sunshine, but even rain creates a skyline. Everywhere you look, how many pages are in your book? Look back on the days you have lived through. Don't worry about others, come on, except for true. Who can do it for you except you?